Myself Lavesh, and today I would like to share with you all my experience with Sir MVT, or actually to be more precise, I can say as one of the most memorable 4 years of my life. So when I completed my 12th, I had a question, I had a confusion on which engineering college to opt for, because as we know that we have thousands of engineering colleges around us. So with others' guidance, I finally opted Sir MVT, and now after completing my BE, I can say that it was one of the best decisions which I could have ever taken. So as I started my engineering journey, the first thing which I experienced was the infrastructure of the college. The college has a great and vast infrastructure wherein it has different blocks for different functionality. It had clean and well equipped classroom, labs, research labs, indoor stadium, auditorium, digital library, sports field, and actually the list goes on. So we as a student were given opportunity to access all the functionalities, and I had great joy in using the infrastructure of the college. So coming to the department, I did my engineering in computer science stream. So the department too has clean and well equipped classroom, labs with internet facility, and more importantly a research lab wherein we were given opportunity to experiment our thoughts, ideas, and to bring our innovative thoughts into life. HOD and all the faculty members were always welcoming. They were supportive and they constantly encouraged us to learn new things. They were always there to help us wherever we got stuck. So overall, I can say that it was one of the great learning experience to learn under such great supportive and experienced faculties. And also the department conducted various workshops and hackathons wherein I actively took part, and it was altogether a great learning experience. So from my school days, apart from academies, I was actually into sports and cultural events too. So the department and the college provided great platform for that, where the department and the college had different various and different teams for different cultural events and tasks. So I loved dancing. So I joined the dance team of Sir MVT. Similarly, there were music team, debate team, fashion team, band team, and if we had interest in technology and coding, we had many tech teams, innovation clubs, and actually the list goes on. So even in the sports, the college had sports team for various sports and for all the major sports, and we were given opportunities to take part in all the major sports events. And apart from this, the college also conducted two fests. One is inter college fest and one more is intra college fest, wherein we had opportunity to showcase our talents. So overall, altogether, I can say that the college provided great platform to nurture our skills for a particular interest. So personally, after completing my B, I wanted to go for a job. So on-campus placement was one of the most major important thing for me. So we were given opportunity to sit for the placement from the start of 7th sem itself. So we had complete 1 year opportunity to get ourselves selected in our dream companies. So I can say that we had lots of company options being put to us so that we can get placed in the on-campus drive itself. So overall, I can say that it was a memorable, never forgettable experience with Sir MVIT.